Yeah. Bogan rap, number 3. Yeah. Probably won't be able to see me. That's probably good, because I'm ugly as fuck. I'm a fucking bogan in Australia, yeah, I will still hail ya, cause you're not a failure, but you look at me, I am, watch me hawk up some phlegm, no accomplishments in my life, and I'm sitting there always getting in strife, alright, yeah, the cops hate me, despise me, more likely, don't fight me, I'm just the kind of cunt who sits there without a care, doing my own thing, man, taking piss out of everyone, because it's fun, man, you're thinking I'm a dumb cunt, cause I know how to enjoy life. When you sit there having a whinge like I'm like spit your rhymes. Maybe this shit's more like a crime to the ears, to the mind's easy to fucking find, but I set it up in line, then I spit this rhyme, but I'm moving my hands, not really going anywhere. I don't know what I'm rapping about, man. Let's change the subject here. Resurrect the fear at the start of the year. There's lots of people lost a home, and I don't know what to do about it, bro. Make that fun so they can survive. Make sure that they can fucking thrive. Make sure they got a smile on their face. Make sure that they're not in disgrace. 52 homes lost, and the pain that will probably never stop, and the pain is probably running through your brain again, knowing that shit lost everything, mate. Man, that didn't mean much unless I'm just being a stupid cunt. If I said that, then I'm a fuckwit, I'm a dumb shit, I'm a fucking prick. Man, I'm sorry I said that. Yeah, upon this fucking rap, I'm sorry that you lost your home, and I'm sorry for all you lost, bro. I can't know all of your pain. I don't know what you're going through, mate, but you gotta stand up straight, gotta keep going, bro. No one can tell you no, just gotta show your pride is still alive, and you haven't died inside, cause I will help you rebuild your home and make sure that you can go upon with your life and get through the hard days. Make sure shit isn't going insane, make sure that you're not feeling the pain, and I'll take that from you, mate, and put it on myself, even if it's living hell. That might be where we're fucking dwell, but at least you get to keep up and keep straight as you elevate.